In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit workspace membership restrictions in Trello. If you're using Trello to manage your team or projects, it's important to know how to control who can join your workspace. Trello offers flexible membership restriction options, allowing you to keep your workspace open to everyone or limit access to specific email domains, such as your company's. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can customize your workspace settings to best suit your needs. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.trello.com. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Login button. This will take you to the login page. Next, you'll need to access your account. You can either select a single sign-on provider, like Google or Microsoft, or you can manually enter your email address and password. Once you've done that, click the Login button. This will bring you to your Trello dashboard. Now that you're in, locate your Trello dashboard and find the workspace you want to manage. You should see a list of your workspaces on the left-hand side or in the main area of the screen. When you find the one you want to adjust, click on the workspace name to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the Settings option. This will take you to the Workspace Settings page where you can make adjustments to how your workspace operates. Once you're on the Settings page, scroll or scan through the options until you find the section labeled Workspace Membership Restrictions. This is where you'll make the changes to control who can or cannot join your workspace. When you find this section, click the Change button to open the membership restriction options here. You'll see a couple of choices to customize how users are added to your workspace. If you want to allow anyone to be added to the workspace, you can select the option labeled Anybody. This is the most open setting and allows for the greatest flexibility in adding members. On the other hand, if you want to restrict workspace membership to approved company email addresses, select the option labeled Only Specific Email Domains. This is ideal for ensuring that only people with email addresses from your organization can be added. If you choose the Only Specific Email Domains option, you'll need to enter the approved email domains in the provided field. For example, if your company uses email addresses ending in @example.com, you would type that domain into the box. Be sure to carefully confirm the spelling of the domain you've entered. A small typo here could block legitimate teammates from being added to the workspace, so double-check your entry. Once you've completed these steps, save your changes to apply the new membership restriction settings. Most platforms have a Save button or a similar option, so look for that and click it to finalize everything. Remember, you can always return to this section in the future to adjust the settings if your needs change. For instance, you might want to open membership back up to anybody or update the list of approved email domains. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to edit workspace membership restrictions in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.